Hey, what up everybody? Happy Travis Scott Day. Well, not yet, but we about to finally get the drop.
Yep.
But before we can get that sneaker, we gotta talk about these Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago joints. And boy, I predicted it yet again. Now, do I think these shoes are going to sit the way that they have been this morning? The sneakers app is pretty much washed out, and it is what time is it right now? It is 12:48, so it's like almost 3 hours after the drop. And the sneakers app is almost done. They're not all the way gone, but it's like a few sizes, which is like 14 through 18, which I'm shocked those sizes are actually still sitting there. But after this Travis Scott release and people don't get their dubs on that and they got that extra bread, people will be reaching back and picking up those Chicago ones. So all these places you see online that they're sitting, those are gonna get dried up. And then where you're gonna have to go to get your pairs are going to be in store. You're gonna have to go out in the store and pick up these things. But I'm headed to JD Sport to pick up my pair, well, a pair for my homie. I'm going to pick up his pair, and I'm gonna show you guys what's sitting around the store. Y'all know how we do it. But before we get up into this, make sure you guys go ahead and hit that subscribe button for your boy. I would greatly appreciate it. Make sure you guys click the link down below. We will be going live for the Travis Scotts. Depending on when I drop this video, you might want to check the replay of the live. Regardless, make sure you guys hit that link. Join up to the Kickstart Kicknology family down by the link below with that join button. Go ahead and hit that. And let's go ahead and go pick up these Air Jordan 1 Low Chicagos. Let's go. All right, so lost and found on feet, going up in the JD Sport. I don't know if they're gonna have these on display or not, but we gonna see. They normally do have stuff sitting on display, but as we walk up in here, as you guys see, what's up, fella? As you guys can see, we do have the Taxi 12s still up in here on display, and we do have the shattered backboards still sitting up in here. So I don't see the Air Jordan 1 sitting anywhere, but a lot of stuff, you know, sitting up in here. Bunch of retros sitting. These joints, which I expected, like I don't think we expected any of these to sell out outside of the shattered backboards. I think that's one that we thought was gonna sell out. But shout out to all my New York people, New York stand up. We got the Timbs in here in the case, man. Now these are Timbs, you know, the real deal. I can't see myself rocking these in Florida, but these are the real deal. Getting off into the Anthony Edwards, they do have these sitting in here along with these right here. You know, both colorways are pretty clean. In my opinion. Got a couple of pairs of Hirachis in here. These, I think they dropped last week. And then we have this colorway as well. You know, don't need any of those. LeBron 23s. Still hasn't seen the colorway that I really like. Got the John Morants. I don't see the Daybreaks in here, so those are still sitting around in here as well. My guy Lou was telling me about these trainers, man. I heard they're super comfortable. If you guys are in the y'all just sold on Jordans and y'all don't want to get anything else, maybe try these Trunners. But I heard they super comfortable. Got the KDs still sitting up in here, as you guys can see. The Noctis. I don't know. Not a big fan of these. Kind of like the Jason Kidds though. And then we do have a black colorway in it as well. For OGs sitting around in here as always. I feel like I show you guys these shoes every time I come up in here. Must be the money joints. Red letters, and of course my dog T Bryson, the emerald joints, you know what I'm saying, are all still sitting in stores. All right, up in the kid sizes, we do have a lot going on. We got the voodoo joints up in here, kid sizes. You have the Air Jordan 1 Chicagos. All the adult sizes are being raffled off, but I'm pretty sure there's gonna be sizes available afterwards, so they don't have those on display. Coming down here, we do have OG Classic still sitting here, as you guys can see. Cave Stone 4s still up in here. Man, these still ain't growing on me. I thought they was going to, but they haven't. Taxi joints. Dude, if you got small feet, this is a great time for you because everything is sitting around. Aqua 8s in grade school, reduced to 145, you know what I'm saying? And we have the Rare Air 3s, which still, in my opinion, is the best one of the Rare Air model. All right, so as you guys can see, as always, shout out to JD Sport, back secured. All right, so we got this new place. It's called Copped. I'm gonna do a separate vlog in itself, but I just wanted to come by. They open on Friday and just show you guys what they look like. You know what I'm saying? Real upscale, super dope. You know what I'm saying? Real nice vibes in here, man. You see what I'm saying? Super clean. All the dope gear and all that good stuff. So I'll link their IG down below. And as you guys can see, they got everything in here, bro. Even some exclusive heat. Let me show y'all a little bit while I'm in here. The Wake 5s. You know what I'm saying? Medium olives. Doodoo Man. Travis's. Off-white lots. Supreme. Doritos. Lobsters. Whole bunch of stuff in here, man. But yeah, super clean, aesthetically. Nice vibes in here. Seems like it's pretty laid back. So if y'all in the Tampa area, like I said, I'll link the IG. Y'all can come check them out. We're gonna go ahead and open these things up real quick, just for you guys. Again, this is my homie's pair. I'm in love with the EA, the exclusive access for JD Sports. But y'all see the black and red Nike box. They go to size tag. He's a size 12. True to size on these, in my opinion. But if y'all need to legit check your pair, go ahead and pause the video. We're gonna take off this top in the back of it right here. And you have one set of paper, another set of paper, and both shoes are wrapped like burritos, bro. I'm only gonna take one of them out for you guys. And there you go, you have them right here, the Air Jordan 1 Low Chicago's. Super clean, in my opinion. Let me see if I can get some light on these things. All right, there go the light. Y'all see the Wings logo on the back. Big bubble, BBL, Nike swoosh. Leather is pretty good. You do have the red Nike Air on the tongue, white tongue, no reimagined colorway on these things at all. Red outsole, as you guys can see. On the inner side of the shoe, y'all see this, the exact same thing. Leather quality looking pretty good, as you guys can tell, man. Nike on the inside of the shoe as well, right there. All in all, super dope sneaker, clean in my opinion. They said they had a ton of sizes, bro. So go out into your stores, see what's going on. If you are interested in this thing, I'm telling you guys, you'll be able to cop this, no problem. Y'all, so that's a wrap for today's video. Make sure y'all follow the people at Copped down in my description section if you're in the Florida area. I think they have a place in New Orleans, Puerto Rico as well. Make sure you go and follow them. And check them out if you're in the Tampa area, because they are new. I'll be doing a different vlog for them, like I said. And go into your stores, man. If you missed out on these Chicago's, I think they're gonna be there for a few days. They won't be there forever, but they'll be there long enough for you guys to be able to pick them up. So make sure you guys are out and about in the stores. But that's all I got for y'all. Good luck on this Travis Scott release. Comment down below if you was able to hit on those, because by the time this video pop up, that release will be done. But y'all let me know if y'all got them. And y'all know the sayings, man. Rock what you like, not what's hype. Remember, everything we talk about, it's just bait. Wait for me to share my faith. I'm gonna catch y'all in this video. Peace.
If they ready, we'll let you know if you should go and get them. We got fat, we got you, never slack on the fruit for OGs and the youth. You can kick it with us too. Technology.